Hey, this is Ron's Woodturning. Welcome to my shop. I'm still kind of sore, but I think I can manage something. So today I got a piece of pecan. Fella down the road, storm come through, knocked some of his trees down, so he actually cut it all up for me. And I'm gonna make this into like a bird's beak. Now it's fresh, it's wet, and they say that's what you're supposed to use is green wood for birds' beaks. So I drilled a hole right there, and I'm gonna put it on my worm screw here, and it's gonna be turning in the lathe backwards, crooked, upside down, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, it's kind of cool. I like doing it, and I just whacked off these corners on the bandsaw just to take out the first little bit of tool banging. So stick with me, we'll get doing it. Now this is going to be where the hole is anyway, so it's not hurting nothing. There. All right. Cool. Now what I'll do is I'll make a tenon on here this side so I can switch it around and do the hollowing. So now let's see if I can get it all. Yeah. Not very big. But I got the tenon past this sapwood, so it ought to hold good. That's solid. Alright, so now I can pull the tailstock back up and work on shaping this mouth, because I want to leave bark all the way around it. So that means I got to come in and then flare it out just enough to leave a beak. But Should go better now. That I got it round anyway. Alright, well, that's the shape I'm looking for. And this wood is wet, wet, wet. So I got some sanding to do. I'm going to get it as smooth as I can before I drill it and start hollowing out the inside. Now I'm going to stiffen up these fibers around this bark so I can get a better purchase on the sand. Let's just do the whole thing. This is just shellac with alcohol mix. Alright, I'll let that dry. Alright, so I just put a little dab of super glue on here and around this bark and on these pith holes. It might keep it from cracking. We'll see. Alright, that's smooth. Nice and smooth. Alright, so I'm going to put a few coats of sanding sealer on there, and then I'm going to drill it. Alright, let's drill it out. About 5, 600. Okay, let's see what happens. That's okay. And let's see what we can do. That's it. I'll cock this head a little bit so I can get to it. Now that's not the full 45, but it'll work. Now. gonna put a little super glue. This stuff is so soft it's tearing right through here. So this ought to make it cut so I can get it smooth right here. And probably keep the bark on too, huh? Yeah. Alright. Let me spritz it. Alright. Let me get back to cutting. Alright, well, I'm not getting close. Yeah, another 3 days. I'm just kidding. It's getting there. It's about that thick right now, so I need to get it thinner. But it's cut so easy. I'm just going super easy with it because I can't see. And I got my big wheel here. I should have my little wheels at the ranch. Obviously, I'm always got the wrong stuff at the wrong place at the wrong time, but we'll get it. I just got to go slow with this thing because if I get a big catch, it's going to hurt something. Maybe me. Alright, so let me keep at it. Alright, that feels good. I mean, it's about the width of the lip around that corner, up inside this wall, and all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna call that good. Hello? Alright, now, we'll figure out how to finish this up. Alright, so, I might burn this. I mean, not in a campfire or nothing, but you know, just it sends you a little bit to, I don't know. I mean, it's plain old wood. It's just a piece of pecan. It doesn't really have a lot of character, but I think if I like hit it with the torch a little bit, it might come out. And if it don't care. So I'm gonna torch it. All right, so here goes nothing. There we go. Yeah. too crazy. I like that. Look at that. More better. Now let burn some on the inside. Alrighty then. Yeah. Alright. Alright, that's so pretty. I decided to put wipe on poly. Plus, I can hit that bark. Wait a minute. Let me get a... I'll get it. I can hit that bark with it and help it stay in there in place. Man, man, oh man, oh man. That's pretty. Now I'm gonna get a stick to get inside there. And maybe y'all can see up in there. But man, I think it came out great. I like it. So I'll be back. Alright, well that was fun. Just a piece of pecan. 2 weeks on the ground. Turned it into a little bird's beak. And I haven't cut the bottom off yet, but y'all know, y'all seen that. But anyway, just a little bit of heat with a torch really busted that grain out, and it's all hollow on the inside and coated. I got some wipe on poly on it. A lot of fun. And pecan is so soft, and plus it's wet, so it kept gumming up my tools, but it was fun. So thank y'all for subscribing and like and share, and y'all have a great day.